my Brazilian blue topaz. I don't get to see them come out often. Look how pretty they are. Oh, look. There's my golden blue leg baboon. See the little feet size. I see the little feetsies of another right up top there. And Zelda. Panama Blondie. Yeah, little feet at the top. My baby Hattie is up top. There's a bum. Yeah, I just fed everyone tonight. Where is my Veracruz Red Romp? I took Cypress downstairs. I didn't think they were too happy up here, so I took them downstairs. Oh, there you are. You're right there. So, I brought Midnight up here. Look how pretty she is. She's absolutely gorgeous. I gotta clean this enclosure out. Imperial Night, my Indian Ornamental. That's gonna be real fun. I'm just cleaning out some of the dead crickets and debris. Oh, there's Clary. We're actually getting snow. It's snowing outside. It is little one. My little chocolate goldeny. There's someone in there. Obviously that's not little Ed. Because over here it's little Ed. So on the little Ed's not little. Because I'm right there. Because unfortunately a while ago I did lose Lotus. Which totally sucks. But I had him for a long time. I had him for like 5 years. But like I said, I just fed everyone tonight. So everybody's probably out hunting. We're sleeping. Oh, here's my baby. Buried way down there. That's Appetite. That's another Brazilian blue. The Brazilian blues are so pretty. I'm gonna see if my chocolate golden is out over here. Which I am not seeing them. Obsidian's not out yet. Ugh, there's a cricket dying in the water dish. Damn it. I hate that. That is like so annoying. How can crickets be so retarded? Sushi's in the way back there. I rehoused so many spiders today. Because I rehoused a bunch of babies. Because everybody knows I had a bunch of babies up top. So, idiot. So I rehoused a bunch of them. I did a bunch of their cages. As you saw, the baby Hattie up top. I stuck it in a different... Well, I cleaned the pot out. And, I stuck it in a new one. And I put my jumper over here on top of my Balfouri. Like they made a web. They're a big jumper, so yeah, that cricket might have looked big, but trust me, Cookie likes to eat those crickets. They're getting big. And like I said, you see the difference over here of the way enclosure setups are. I moved everyone around. Like the Hattie and all of them, they were getting bigger, so that glass enclosure, I can figure out who to put in it. I finally stuck the Hattie in. That was over here because they were getting big. So they were moved. And I put another little one over here. I don't think they came out yet. They were. I left them in the burrow. I transported them in the burrow. Yeah. I can't remember who I moved over here. Who did I put over here? I gotta look at the containers again. I know which containers they came from. But I can't remember at this moment in time. Let's see if you can see the Chilean rose here. They have a little window down here. Oh, yep, there they are. Look at that. They're growing so slow. So freaking slow. But I had to clean out their enclosure a little bit. Yeah, I put the one that was over over there, over here. Like I said, I did a bunch of switching and upgrading. Because my Egyptian Fury that was over here, I upgraded into a bigger enclosure downstairs. So like I said, I switched everybody around. And then I have over here. I don't even know if they're out. No, they're not. I don't see them out. They're one of my earth tiger species, though. They don't really come out. A lot of my earth tiger species don't come out. The one that was originally in here, I moved. Oh, they're down. Okay, they're down there. That's right. They're down there. Because the black burring I put here. And the emerald chevron that was where Cookie is over there, I moved them into here. I put them, I upgraded them. Then Cersei I'm going to upgrade next, which is my other Indian ornamental. So they're going to be upgrading. As you did see, I did a totally different setup for everybody. I'm making like these new cave systems with cork bark and a bunch of stuff. That I think's real cool, so we'll see if they like it or how it works out. But not many babies are out right now because, like I said, I just rehoused everybody. And a lot of them are still not happy with me. But I just gave them crickets. So hopefully they'll end up popping back out. So I'm going to wait a little bit. And we'll try again in like an hour or two to see who comes out. Or whatever, but you see some of them are trying to start to come out because you see the little footsies up top, and some of them did. Oh, that one ran went back into their den. It's okay. At least the golden blue like baboon you can see halfway out. But we'll wait and see who else wants to show up. Because the Veracruz red rump I actually put into a bigger enclosure as well, because they were in a critter size carrier down one size from this one. So we'll see. As you see, like I said, I did all this stuff with the cork barks and the wooden logs and stuff. So we shall see. Alright, I'll stop bothering for right now, and we will see who pops out in a little bit. Now look at the snow outside, guys. I want to go show you guys the snow real quick. It's so cold in the hallway. Look, I decorated. I like it. Isn't that pretty? That's our little tree. But yeah, I'll show you some more decorations real quick. Yeah, it's cold. Like, it's really cold. The temperatures are going to drop into the negative digits. The high for tomorrow is only, I think, 8 degrees. Like, it's going to be cold. But see, it's so pretty. They said at times we're going to get like an inch or two per hour. So, it's only 2 a.m. It's supposed to snow for the next 6, no, that's right, they changed it to 1 p.m. Sunday. It's only 2 a.m. now, So, yeah, it's still supposed to snow quite some time yet. Look at it, that's piling up. So, but look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Freaking love it. Unfortunately, the way my neighbor's house looks just kind of ruins how pretty snow and falling, because they have freaking moss and shit growing on the side of their house. But from this angle, it looks really pretty. But I wanted to get pictures of it falling. It's gorgeous. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit, and we'll see what the tarantulas are up to. Maybe some of them are just staying in their burrows because they can feel the pressure of the middle bars and everything. Like, they know it's snowing. They know what's going on. They know it's storming outside. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Big fluffy flakes. It's actually going to snow for the next couple hours, it said. I just looked at the forecast. It's actually laying too. Look how pretty that is. Just a soft, pretty snowfall. Wait, it's cold. I feel like it's starting to lay. Even laying on the grass. Absolutely gorgeous. This is big fluffy flakes. It's so pretty. Happy snow day, everyone. If you live in Pennsylvania, you would understand. Like, seriously, we haven't gotten any real snow in a long time. As much as I hate the cold, but I think snow is pretty when it falls. A little squirrel in the snow. And the critters running around. Little birds. So pretty. It is 7 a.m. and it's snowing real good. It's laying quick. First snowstorm of the season. We're supposed to get up to 5 inches of snow. That's some thick. Oh, it's snow and sleet. But it's laying quickly. But you hear that sleet mixed in with it. You know, they have road restrictions already. Yeah, the roads are covered in ice. It's a snowing. It's a laying real good too. Our first real snowfall of the season. So cold. It's cold out there. It's gonna be so pretty. That's some thick, fluffy snowflakes. Our first, like, in-depth snowfall this year. Where we're actually getting, like, snow. There's just, like, a flurry here, too. Look how pretty that looks. It's 2 a.m. It's supposed to be like this until 1 p.m. So we're gonna get some snow. I'm just happy because it's just pretty. So I did shopping today. Got plenty of drinks and batteries and stuff. Because the high for tomorrow is only 8 degrees and the low temperatures are -4. Because there's a bad cold front coming in behind the storm. It's already bad cold right now. But look how pretty that snowfall is. This is so gorgeous. Gorgeous. Those fluffy flakes. Alright, it's getting cold. I have the door like hanging open. Alright, well, let's see how deep the snow is in a little bit. Whoop. It's starting to snow again. So pretty though. It's like a fine little mist. Little snow mist. Wait, it's so cold. It's pretty though. That problem is you can't see out the damn window. Oh, it's that light back there, or whatever. But we got a lot of snow from the other day. Well, they said we were actually going to get a bunch of snow this year. They were BSing. It's hard to see it though. Except for where the light is. That's stupid. There we go. I turned off that stupid bright ass nightlight. I just want to see a pretty snow. Yep. Wow. Christmas lights before it snows. Oh wow, look at that. Like, it looks like the fucking airport over there. It's all lit up along the houses. It's like a strobe light. That's pretty. I think they are doing lights this year. Because Lidditz has that thing.
I don't see any signs of that.
We get, what do you mean? We get flyers in the mail.
Oh, I know we saw the thing for the yard sales. That's yearly.
So is the light competitions. You have to sign up for it at the bureau office. You register for them. And then they have signs to point. I see the strobe light coming from that way, isn't it?
Oh, let's go down here.
Get a freaking beacon.
Oh, people are down here, definitely.
Wow, I told you. That's pretty too. Like, come on now. Like, you look at those lights. It looks like from the airport.
I was wondering what the hell was going on.
Because you can put your radio. It in syncs with that. Because, see, look, FM 88.9. Turn your radio on to 88.9.
FM.
Yeah, because you hear the music play.
Cute.
Me, Aunt Rob, and Uncle Sean did this the one year. They do it out in Hempfield. But yeah, you could sit here and you could listen to the Christmas music, and the lights go with the music.
That's really neat.
Yeah, that's what I'm
This would
saying.
be
Like,
something to bring the girls around to do.
that was on the news, and I wanted to know where it was, because there's a couple houses that are doing that this year. Freaking cool. Look at that, that's pretty.
That is nice.
I like that wreath. That's what I'm saying. Like, those are so pretty this year. Look at those lights. And then they had to went to Target for their stuff. See, but these homes are freaking expensive. Because I would get one of these.
These are the seniors
No,
now.
not all of them. A lot of the seniors living is over. There's another light. Because it's picking up on my camera. That's how I knew which direction that one was. This is pretty too, what they did over
Yeah,
here.
there's ladies almost doing
I know, look at that. That's good. Like the neighbors did it with them. Like they
Yeah.
started, I think their one neighbor next to them also started doing lights too. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's them and their neighbor this year.
Yeah.
That is so pretty. Wow.
Wow, even the backyard. They always do
That's what I'm
backyards,
saying,
too.
like, that's crazy. There we go. Let's refilm that. That stupid nightlight was in my way. That is so pretty. We do have a bunch of snow. It looks like one of those snow globes. It's cold.